perfectly clean. To welcome Laura, and it's still snowing lightly, so I'm waiting to go clean. We need some cleanup now. That's me going to make an outing and check the snow total. Opening the door. Let's push it. Anna, and it's very soft. 3 inches, like 3 inches. Okay, let's say 6, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters. Nice and light. Yes, it's light, so it will be good. Be more than we thought, maybe 10, 15, but it's so fluffy, that's a pleasure. Don't throw on the what you just cleaned. That would be stupid. Look at that. Roads are totally clean, and we are almost done here. So we are all clean. The 3 of us, that's gone fast. So the driveway is like tire tracks, and here it's clean. Cars are clean, and we're all good. We are all done. the pharmacy to buy stuff for Laura. Pharmacy for Laura. It's also